One,
video
two,
games, all of those things.
But the video game.
Oh! God damn, son! God damn! Check it. Jen got this from China. Going to Ikea today, gonna have a podcast tonight. It's been a really busy month. I keep saying that every month, and I feel like this year has been an ongoing thing. I feel like it's damn recurring, right? This whole year, I've been thinking like, it'll get better, it'll get better, it'll get better. And it just never lets up, man. Maybe I took up too much. Do you think I took up too much? I haven't even had Japanese classes for like 2 weeks now, and it's just been really heavy nonetheless, you know. Also, right, I feel like, is it normal to have so many changes? Like, oh, I think apple juice is better than tea. Why are there so many changes? You know, when you do a PowerPoint deck or keynote, I feel like sometimes people just... They tell you to make the changes because they just want to say something. It's not because the changes are necessary. Don't know, man. So stressed out, man. I think I should just do YouTube full time. What do you guys think? Just do full time, 100% podcasting. But how am I gonna pay for this mortgage? It's like you're stuck.
Nice.
Hey, we're matching the same color. Wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's right. Perfect.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yo, so cute. I didn't realize it until I was on camera. I'm like, what the fuck? What do you feel like eating? Oh, cool. So shine. Why you like those? It's so, how do you even
I'm
like?
really not used to it.
Like, how do you even do things?
I can't even wear my shoes right.
Huh? You can't wear your shoes though?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, it doesn't even make sense why you would have these type of things. Wow. It's the addiction, man. Yeah. It's so good, man, I tell you. Dun, 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 dun. Dude, Korean?
Oh, it's a chicken.
Damn, man. Hidangan, Japan. Dai, Tokyo. Random rest and go, let's go. Teppanyaki. Hey, see Chibo? Come. Everything is so close. This one close, this one close. Bro, it's not even like... Right, maybe it's up with. Oh, you heard of Burger Lab, but have you heard of The Figure Lab? I thought it was a gym.
I see the last one was the Bodega.
Oh, Yahweh. That's so sad. 2020 lah, young.
Wow.
2020, man. Damn. Wow. That's so sad. This one also, oh, young, check it. Even their computer screen got dust, way. You see? Their computer screen, there's dust, you know.
Wow.
That's so sad, man.
Over there.
Yeah. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of Japan, right? You know those abandoned cities? Then it's like, you see, still has the sanitizer all there. It's like they left and they just like, fuck it lah, I don't need to leave, I just leave it lah. There's a tapao food in there somewhere, young. What the fuck? Do you see that shit? You see that? But the Chinese will live forever. The Chinese will live forever. Say fala. It's so racist as shit. But it's okay because I am Chinese. I'm allowed to be. Hey, watermelon lychee ice blended, it sounds so good. Cheese rice. The epitome of Western and Asian fusion. I know what you're gonna drink. I know what you're gonna order for drinks. Hong Kong milk tea. Not exactly the best, though. Don't be sad, yeah. Be glad you're happy.
Not bad, no?
I can tell, but it looks funky as fuck, lah. 饭味。
chili 饭。
Not bad. I think they got dried squid inside. Like this shit. Oh. Pretty good, right? But where's our drinks? This is the first time I've ever seen this shit, yeah. This is how they do it in Hong Kong.
I thought it
Hey.
was supposed to be like that.
Yeah, that's why. But why is it not cold though? But you're right lah, it's good, but it's just so power, man. So much drink, man. No, it's a big man, the drink. Thank you. Thank you. It's the drink, man. It's damn a lot of drink. A5 Wagyu Hamburg. Wow, they got booth seating also. Wow. Damn. Hey, you're right. It is a fit. Hey, this is the Ikea one. Man. But their cabling is so bad, man. Hey, it's really bad cabling, man. Wow, Muzan. Man. Wow. Crazy, man. Actually, this Super Saiyan 3 is damn sick. Oh, it's a pen. Oh. For some reason, I feel right, the Mutiara Ikea is better. I don't know, I always get the feeling. Although the Cheras one is newer, I just don't know why I don't like it. You want to buy it online? You know the black one has been sold out for damn long. I've been checking every time. Yeah, now the white one is out of stock. Oh well. Actually, this one is better. What the fuck? Oh, dust way. Don't have any like gap way. You want to share and get this one? But the side here is too thick lah.
I like the side.
Yeah, but it's very retro lah if you think about it.
But only 3 lah.
Yeah.
Nice.
I got 4 But the 4 one, the lower one normally people put plushie one. They don't put the figurines on the ground one. Yeah, man.
Hey, 我们一起看 showcase our figurines.
Hey, you got sale now eh. Oh, show us more. That one's our god, bro.
You wanna go there?
I got 2 hours lah. I got podcast day. Or buy online lah, ship it lah. No diff also. Someone they handle it for you.
Suddenly it smells nice.
Fucking love nasi dagang. True that. Imagine you see the front, then you like turn around. I fucking love nasi dagang. Fucking love you, bro. Halo, boleh bungkus tak?
Bungkus nasi apa?
Nasi dagang ikan 3.
Dah habis lah. Sorry.
Ayo.
Ada nasi. Lauk apa Lauk. Lauk nasi minyak.
Tak apalah, ini juga boleh lah. Tak ada masalah.
Boleh bungkus ikan ni ya?
Boleh? Jangan.
Dude, this really feels like a road trip type thing.
Make you feel like you're going to Kemaman to have breakfast.
They ran out of nasi dagang. They only got nasi minyak, but they got the fish lah. So I'm just like, whatever lah.
All from Terengganu.
I think next round if we want to buy, we should go earlier lah.
Extra. Cafe kind of thing.
What, for nasi dagang?
No. Cafe food lah, cafe food.
Oh.
Slaves to the Taliban. They're trying to get out.